Hi there, I'm Michael Creason, the Technical Director of Coda Audio USA, and we're excited to be releasing a new version of a product that has been very successful for us called the rAVe point source. This is now a price-aggressive version of that product that is install-based. The top speakers here have a 10-degree vertical, and the bottom speaker here has a 30-degree vertical. These are all based on two 10-inch drivers in the lows that are mounted on our dynamic air cooling baffle, which allows the low-frequency drivers to stay linear longer and not go into power compression in the middle of your show. Also having our dual diaphragm curved wave driver that is patented technology for Coda. We also have a sub that goes with it. That is the APSi-Pro sub, and all of this is, as I said, aggressively priced to fit right into the install market. You can find us at codaaudio.com. Thanks for watching.